Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your receipt on Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you made an order or someone purchased from you and you want to go ahead and see your receipt or order details for that specific order. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to go into Whatnot, and then from here you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says your account. So on the bottom right hand corner, click on your account. Next, you want to click on orders. And then from here, you want to click on the order in which you want to go ahead and click on the order in which you want to go ahead and see the receipt and order details. So we're just going to click on this order here. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says receipt and earning details. And here's where you're going to see your receipt and earning details. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your receipt on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.